For National Hot Dog Day, I took it a step further and made these delicious dogs. The reason why they're so good is because, honestly, that shot just looks so appealing. And these dogs are made with the best ingredients, and these sausages are also so good. But anyways, to make these delicious hot dogs, we have to first start by setting up a grill. And we actually had failed because the grill wasn't working. Not even going. No? Okay. Well, I think we're gonna just pause it there for today then. Barbecue, not working. It's fine. How about this water?
No.
Nope? Okay. All that smoke is literally blowing over here. Yeah, we're not gonna do it outside. No way. Alright guys, so now we're gonna make these hot dogs. After that terrible amount of time we had to spend into actually making the grill, because people don't know how to do it, what we're going to do is grill some sausages. Over here, we've got a grill. I'm actually going to first take off our lid and look at that. Oh, so beautiful. We actually had to grill some corn as well because for the occasion, I've got some sausages right here. Grill each one. Let's see how we do this. Oh, look at that. That looks so good. I cannot even tell you guys how hot it is right now next to this grill that we have set up right here. Place all of your sausages onto the grill and have some fun while you're at it as well. Oh, that's worse. Wait, where should I stand? Jesus, wow. That one almost dropped. Wait, is my mic on? Okay, we're done. Just cut it. All right, so a good way to know when they're done is when it looks rather charred on some areas, but not burnt like one of our candidates, unfortunately. Yeah, we don't want that in our hot dogs. Man, the flies are everywhere. Here I have made some chopped onion, just finely diced, so then we can have some good garnish for our hot dogs. So here I have some hot dog buns. These are some pretzel buns. They're actually really fancy, but you can use anything you'd like, just regular hot dog buns. How does this exactly work? How would you cut it? You don't know? All right, well here, let's see how this works.
No, that's a good idea.
I'm going to cut it in the middle. Don't underestimate anybody, especially Enzo the baker. What we're going to do, cut open our our hot dog. Oh wow, actually looks perfect. The thing about hot dogs is that you really want a lot of space in the bread, and so I'm actually eating the center right now because then our actual sausage can fit in the bun. I'm going to take my tongs, grab our hot dog, and put it in this. Look at that. Oh my lord. Do you guys see this? Perfectly caramelized, beautiful dog. But what we have to do is drizzle a little bit of onion on it. I'm going to add some ketchup because I think it's going to look good. Come in close, please, so you can really get the food shot. Gotta add some honey mustard.
Why is there ketchup on the table?
Honestly, Mom, look. See, this is the thing. This is one of our first, actually, this is my first outdoor video ever. Might actually make a mess like the ketchup, so I'm very sorry about that. To especially Mom and my viewers. But onto the mustard. Production quality will be limited, especially because of the fact that we're outside and my dog is barking. Drizzle some. Jesus Christ. You know what? It looks like a work of art, though. Believe it or not, it looks like a work of art. It's definitely one of the nicest hot dogs we have seen. I mean, if you just look at that. Mom, keep your eye on the hot dog. Don't be doing that.
Sorry.
Thank you. So, add some relish, because everything needs relish nowadays, and we're just going to...
No.
And so now we need to add the relish with our spoon. I was going to do it the sloppy way. And here we go, guys. Look at this amazing, delicious dog right here. You guys, this is something else, all right? And this is something definitely to make during quarantine. Here is the amazing. Okay, this looks really good. All right, I'm going to eat this. Here we go.
You were hungry, huh?
Yeah, that was, wow, this is delicious. I mean, you can't really get a regular hot dog, so that was absolutely delicious. Please subscribe to Enter the Baker.